To complete a puff stitch, we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the specified stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn up to your working height once, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up to working height twice, yarn over into the same stitch again, up to working height 3 times, yarn over, insert again, up to working height 4 times. There's going to be 9 loops total on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all but 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through those remaining 2 loops. So you've just created 1 puff stitch. So for this pattern that I'm following, I'm going to just chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then we're going to complete another puff stitch in the next stitch after that. So again, yarn over, insert into the specified stitch, pull through up to working height once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, yarn over, pull through all but 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And then you'll notice we're on the wrong side of the work right now. When you flip that over, the puffs are kind of a bit more raised up on the right side of your work.